Rescue teams clawed desperately through debris by hand, dragging survivors from collapsed homes and recovering bodies from pancake structures. All through the night, faint cries echoed from beneath broken concrete, haunting those who dug in the darkness. One of the greatest cultural tragedies unfolded in Bantayan, where the archdiocesan shrine of Santa Rosa de Lima, a 400-year-old church, lost nearly 80% of its structure. Its fractured bell tower and collapsed walls stood as a symbol of how history itself had been torn apart. For a terrifying hour, Cebu faced a second nightmare.